guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I have box braids, and you also know from the title that I'm going to be showing you how to style these box braids without any hair bands, hair ties, scrunchies, I don't know what you call it. I figured why not show you guys what my hair looks like while it's down and not styled at all. I think curling the ends made this look so much better down. I personally don't like straight hair. Literally, if you have any type of like braids or like locks in your hair, I never use any hair ties for it. So I'm gonna show you how I style my hair without any hair ties. And for the first style, it's just gonna be a simple half up, half down style. And for this style, I'm just going to section off my hair into, you know, halves. Then I'm going to take a couple strands of hair from the back and I'm going to wrap it around that top section of hair. I don't know if I'm explaining that good, but I hope you can see and like hear what I'm saying, so that way it like makes sense. But you literally are just wrapping it around that first half that you sectioned off. And I don't even use any bobby pins because it just holds itself and literally will last me all day until I go to take it out. Like I'll sleep in this style and it'll be okay, it'll be fine. So I just, you know, fluff it out, make it look good. I really honestly am so glad that I curled the ends because I did not like this hair when it was straight. But yeah, that is style number 1. And for style number 2, I literally am gonna keep the same style and just wrap that top ponytail into a bun. I know this is kind of like low-key cheating, but it is still a cute style. Like at the end of the day, it's still a cute style, and I would totally rock this hairstyle. That's the only thing about the curly hair. Like when it's curly, it kind of like tangles up a little bit more. Like the curls get locked in like normal curly hair, you know? So this is look number 2. So moving on to style number 3. Oh great, more tangles. Love that for me. But style number 3, I'm literally going to part my hair in halves. So as best as I can see, because I literally can't see the back of my head, you know, just as best as you can, just part your hair in like halves. The same way I did for the first style, I'm gonna take some hair from the back and wrap it around each section that I sectioned off in the ponytails. Oh my gosh, my air conditioner just came on, so if you can hear that in the background, I do apologize. Sorry about that, but you know, the show must go on. And you know, some people would say this isn't like very appropriate for somebody to wear unless they're like a child, but honestly, I don't care if anybody like judges me. I mean, life is too short. Like, get cute, sis, you know? So I'm just going to do the same exact thing onto the other side of, once again, with no hair bows, no bobby pin. As you can see, this is the same video that I posted on my stories on Instagram, and that's what I look like while I'm filming. I really love these pigtails, though. I think the pigtails came out super cute. For this last style, I'm just going to take those same 2 sections and I'm going to twist each section like in like a braided twist and just wrap it around the base of each individual ponytail, just to make like little space buns. You know, space buns are cute. Again, this is probably cheating, but it's still a cute hairstyle, sis, so let's be great. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you totally should, because that's where I give you updates in case like I don't upload for the week or like a upload is postponed. Definitely follow me on Instagram because I'll give you guys all the tea on that. I think it definitely could have been a little bit neater, but you know, whatevs. Stuff happens. As long as you have the confidence to wear something, like haters gonna hate regardless. What do you guys think about this hair color though? Like, I think this hair color looks super cute. I was trying to have like a Beyonce moment in my own right, because nobody can fill those big shoes. But like, yeah, I wanted like a nice soft brown, little golden brown. I think it came out cute. But yeah, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so that I know to make more hair videos, more hair content like this. And make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can be notified of my future uploads. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.